Okay, so here's the deal. Turn the meter on. Somewhere under here is a meter. Okay, so gas valve is on. Take the screw out. Pop. Sorry if you can't see it. Pop that in. I'm on the way. Okay, so crank that open. 26 millibars, yeah? Okay, shot up and then shot down, so we've got 22 odd. Okay, happy everyone? So, turn that off, yeah? Let's take some pressure out. Take it down to about there. Okay, so. Let's let it stabilise. Well, it's not going to stabilise, is it? Look at it. Okay. Okay, so that's dropping like a stone. Let's go to work. So, what do we do? Go inside. Okay, here's the boiler. Isolate. So isolate the boiler. Okay, same test. Crank it open. Yep. Close it. Okay, let's take a bit out. Take a bit out. Just for the hell of it. Let's leave it around there. Just see if it's going to drop like a stone. So we've got 16. You can see straight away it's stabilised. So I know without faffing around anymore that we need to change that gas valve. So we can actually turn this back on. Because inside, oops, you don't want to do that on a Friday. And yep, I'm going to LDF this and I'm going to check all of that and I'm going to make sure that it's all okay. I've got to come back out here. In the meantime, we can fit a gas valve. Pick up the gas valve. So now we've got a gas valve. A couple of screws. Okay. Pop the cover off. Turn the power off. Pull this out. God knows who that is on the phone. When you have those days, it seems like everyone wants to get a hold of you. I'm having one of those. Everyone's trying to get a hold of me. I don't think so. That torch is about to fall. You know, if you do the tests right, then you don't even have to go looking for the work, do you? It's coming to you. So it's in your interests. That's what I'm trying to get at. To actually do these tests. So let's pop that down. Little clip there. Okay. So that's our gas valve. See if a pen works. Felt like it, did it? There you go. Before you do anything, make sure the part that you bought is the same. Looks pretty good to me. 230 volts, 4.9. There you go. You can check the model number if you like. Got a couple of rubbers for this, so whip that one off. Yeah, keep them over there, so I know it goes on there. Pop that off there. May as well have a new one in there. What do you think? Up the top. So for me, pop that in there. Push in the twist. That's our new one, clearly. I was just doing that to see if you guys were paying attention. So new one into there, and then we're going to have a little jiggle. That's it. Twist and a shout. Yep. Okay. The underside. Bit of a twist and a shout for that. There you go. Okay. Happy with that. Put our earth clamp on there. Get a new one of these, pop the old off. Fire. Pop the new in. Power clip back on. Gas is back on. Okay, so now we just want to test to make sure that we've got no leak. Otherwise you could in theory still have a leak. Well, it stinks of basil. It's not basil, but I've got one more job to see to now, and then I should be done. Just stabilising. Sometimes with these very long tubes you get a change because it's so long from inside to outside. So, okay, let's give it a go. Hey, big Spidey. We'll LDF this. It's late in the day and I want to get home. Turn the boiler back on. That looks good already. So we'll check the combustion and that. I'm not going to film all of this because I've got better things to do with my life at the moment on a Friday. A happy customer, a gas leak, and we're off the Ideal. And at the end of the day, that's all the customer wants to see. They'll be happy and you'll be happy. Happy Friday, guys.